morning. All right, we got to pressure wash this area here. All of this. We have to pressure wash all of this. Back here, entire floor. Now, Michael is on vacation. He's in Alaska on a cruise, 10-day cruise in Alaska, while me and Brian are doing all the work. I got a little surprise. I got my great nieces and nephews and my niece. Say hi, guys. We got almost all the trucks out. We got half the fleet out, half the fleet in. Mike is on vacation. And we're getting it done. We got to pressure wash all of this in here, where Brian is at, where the kids are, where my niece is.
Mommy, I want you to pick up. Whoa, this is so...
Well, you can see the difference. I didn't get up there yet, but I had to go get the ladder, and I hit some chemical on that. I'm not pressure washing this part of the wall. I'm just doing this section here. This is called the what?
Safety cone.
Safety cone. Now, come ask your dad. Go ask Daddy, why did he do that?
Because it warns cars and people that are coming by to watch out for the hoses and to watch out for the truck.
Because if they do this, look, if they do this and they trip over the cone, if they trip over this hose, who's going to be responsible for that hose being there? Who put the hose there?
We did.
We did, right? So if someone trips over that hose, who's that for?
Our fault.
It's our fault, right? So you put a safety cone down so somebody goes, oh, they're doing something, and they go around it. go next? You go in the back of the truck.
And push the leaves over there, okay?
No.
Go ahead, squeeze it. Walk with it, walk. Aim it down, aim it down. There you go. Push it up there, push it up there. I'm gonna give y'all a little lesson today. Uncle did something that was not good today, and I'm gonna tell you what I did. Y'all ready to know what I did wrong? Look at everybody's feet and tell me what Uncle what's wrong with everybody's feet and what Uncle got wrong. What everybody has right, what does Uncle have wrong?
What is he wearing?
Look at my feet. What am I wearing wrong?
Now
Now look at your shoes.
flip-flop.
There you go. What does Daddy have on?
Uh,
And what does Uncle have on? So who's got the right shoes on? Who doesn't? Daddy has the right shoes on, and Uncle has what?
Open
The
toe.
wrong shoes. So I have to put on my right shoes. All right. These things take 8 gallons a minute. You did good, Kai. You did good. You did good, Tay. All right.
there's something for there. I got to blow it out the way. I blow out the way. Don't for me.
All right, guys. So cleaned up everything. I applied a second application. It's still working. The wall is clean. As you can see, we're going to take care of the windows. We're going to do the gutters too while we're here. Got everything done back here. All over there is done. That section is done. Wall is done. So, right now, oh man, grunt. All right. Right now, Brian is, there's my niece and my great nieces and nephew. And Brian is getting ready to clean the gutters. Brian, you gonna walk the roof? You gonna try to walk the roof?
Look out!
Or are you gonna do it with the gun?
Watch out. That's not metal, right?
Okay, he's gonna blow it out with the gun.
Is it metal?
Yeah, I think so. Go up there and look. You gotta go up there and look anyway. All right, so we're just about done. We have the driveway to do. Brian cleaned up all of this. Looks marvelous. Look at this flagstone. That looks good. So Brian's gonna clean these gutters out right here. And then we just have this driveway to take care of. I'll have to move the trucks out the way because the street is pretty small. So I'll move the trucks down that way. Sorry. I'll move the trucks down this way here, and Brian will park right here, and we'll clean up the driveway. So we're just about done.
Bye-bye. We are doing summer.
Satu gelas, ingat mantan punya juga berkelas. Ingin malam semakin suasananya ganas, butuhkan mantan.
We'll come back and get it. Come on, come on. Look at how clean everything is now. Oh my goodness. You see how clean it is? And look, even this. No. Hello.
Brian, you gonna walk the roof? You gonna try to walk the roof?
Zaya, you stay back here.
I'm blue.
Now watch, he's gonna spray the gutter out. Whoa, look at all that stuff coming out of there.
That's super high. I don't like heights.
You don't like heights? Daddy's being so brave, huh?
I'm not.
Well, you're little.
Pull, don't pull, don't pull. Don't pull yet, hold on. Hold on, strong guys. There you go. You wanna wash your hands? Come wash your hands. Come on. Come on. Are you ready? Come on. Wash your hands.
How did the water go through there?
Wash your hands. All right.
Oh, it's warm.
Yeah. Now, red cap means hot water. We're using hot water. Take this right here. You put this in front of the tire. Just in case the brakes go out, it'll stop the truck from moving. You got what I'm saying? So whenever you want to hill, the truck is like this, right? So you got to put the stopper behind the wheel so the brakes, so the truck doesn't what? Exactly. Keep rolling. All right? You got it? All right.
Look how many tires is on this side. It's not just one. Look back here. It's two. That's so cool. So if there's two right here, and there's two on the other side, 2 plus 2 is 4. Then you have one in the front, and then one on the other side. So 4 plus 2 is
6.
yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Actually,
Look at all the gunk falling out, coming out.
stop.
Ew.